Perfecto. Hola amigos, my name is Ulises Cruz. I'm a professional chef with 10 years of experience, the last 5 years doing plant-based cuisine. And today's video we're gonna make something easy. We're gonna make one vegan yogurt. It's gonna be very easy and simple. Right now I'm gonna use some couple coconut, some young coconuts. I love that young coconut because the meat is too soft, and also they are gonna help me to the smooth or forget the smooth texture in this yogurt. Also, right now I'm gonna use these capsules of probiotics. There are the 14 billions of active cultures. There is not much. If you use a lot culture, your yogurt is gonna be different taste. When you're trying some kind of probiotics with so many cultures, they are like bitter, but all the time it's up to you. And also you can charge it a little bit more with a little sweetener. Right now I'm using a little bit of agave and also vanilla, coconut oil, a little bit of salt, Himalayan salt or sea salt is not a big deal. And for this recipe I'm gonna use a little bit of lemon juice, lime juice you can use also, or spirulina. This is a green spirulina, but the last ingredient, the spirulina, is optional, completely optional. First we're gonna open the coconut, we're gonna bring out the water, save the water for any other drink, also get and save the meat. We're gonna use one blender and that's it, pretty much. We're gonna make some ingredients and this is the best way to make one yogurt. So thank you for playing this video and let's do it, amigos. Let's do it. If you want to avoid any kind of trouble, don't just be secure your cutting board first, and also you can put over one kitchen towel, and also it's optional. You shouldn't use it. You won't need it. So this is more secure over the counter. So this time I'm gonna cut it the end. Once you remove a little bit the husk, right now you can see it's time to open it. We're gonna hit it. If it's your first time trying or using those kind of knives, just make sure put away your other hand. And do it slowly, it's not a big deal. Just go slowly to avoid any kind of damage. There we go. I already opened one. So right now I'm gonna remove the water and save the water. Just use one strainer. There we go. And do the same with the rest. Amigos, this time I'm gonna make the 4 young coconuts. Yes, I'm gonna use the 4 young coconuts. So I wasn't sure how much I'm gonna use because I saw a little bit of mold right here on the husk. I saw a little bit of mold right here. So that's why I wasn't sure it was going to be good or was going to be bad, but everything looked good right here. So I'm gonna remove the meat and also put in my blender. So if you don't know how to remove the meat, just use the back of your spoon, or also you can use just one flat spoon, not like this one, and it can help you. It's going to be very easy to take out on this way the skin. So just be careful with those small pieces. Make sure that everything is clean. If you're not sure, just rinse a little bit of cold water. Okay, the entire meat right here. Look at this. Just making sure that there is no any dust, there's no dairy, and that's it. Just when you're scraping with the spoon, just rolling and go through all the side. Easy peasy. Easy. So then, amigos, we're gonna use 3 cups of young coconut milk. Also, if you wanna make it the easy way, you can buy just the milk. And if it's hard for you open one coconut, just buy the milk by itself. So then 3 cups of young coconut milk, coconut water, okay, a quarter cup of coconut water, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/8 of teaspoon, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 table and half of agave. Also, you can use maple syrup or even sugar, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Oh, no, I was forgetting the spirulina powder. I'm gonna start with half teaspoon. So, amigos, I'm blended. So much is too heavy. So we won't complicate anything, just I'm gonna transfer it to this blender, and that's it. Another quarter cup of coconut water. So amigos, a quick tip, just when you blend it, just add it a little or enough water until get a smooth texture. And also at the end, just make sure your blender is not overheating, otherwise you can kill the probiotics. At the end, just you're gonna add the peel of probiotics, just a little bit, and that's it. Not yet, a little bit more. Hey, you have it? Perfecto! Is this what I was talking? Just make sure that everything is blended, smooth, you get a smooth texture, and also just be patient. If your blender is not working well, just be patient. Just keep blended by moments, by short periods. Try to don't overheat it, otherwise you're gonna, how I said before, you're gonna kill the probiotics. And at the end, just keep in mind that you should to add the probiotics. Otherwise, it won't work. So right now I already made it. It's simple to make one yogurt, plant-based yogurt, and that's it. It's simple. If you wanna add it more spirulina, you wanna give it a little extra flavor of seaweed in your yogurt, it's not a big deal. It's optional. And also you can add it other kind of or different kind of powders, colors, or different kind of fruits. There you go. That is the easy way to make one plant-based yogurt. I hope you really like it. If you really like it, just give me a like, please, comment and subscribe. Thank you, see you soon, and I'll catch you in the next one.